Alright, today we'll be doing another unboxing. Today will be the Best Buy collectible Steelbook edition of the 4K version of Star Wars The Last Jedi. As you can see, there's the front. This beautiful side. We got the back. Alright. Go ahead and get this bad boy open. Alright, set it down there, I guess. The J card comes right off, and all that sticky came off. Nice picture of Kylo Ren on the back with Captain Phasma. Of course, there's the J card. We open that up. Oops, sorry. Bumped the tripod. See, I talk about the Disney movies. Well, not Disney movies, just movies anywhere now. How to do it. Of course, it's got the code on it, which will be used pretty soon, so don't ask for it because I'm not giving it to you. Alright, set that down. We got the 4K version with nice artwork on it. And we have the Blu-ray version. And we have the bonus disc. And then we pull out the picture, pull out the disc to look at the picture underneath. Got that nice shot of the salt as they go flying across. Alright. And that was the unboxing of this. I actually like this movie. Whether some people like it or not is kind of debatable. But I saw this in the theater when it first came out, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And to each their own opinion, you know. But that was the unboxing of Star Wars Episode 8, The Last Jedi. If you like this video, just like and subscribe down there on the bottom, and you'll make my day. Alright, thank you, and goodbye.